You wake up in the morning and you don't feel really great, okay? You're not upbeat and you just want to lie in bed. इच्छा होती है बस लेटे रहें या फिर उठते हैं पर वो एनर्जी मिसिंग होती है. यू डोंट वांट टू डू योर रूटीन योगा और यू डोंट वांट टू गो अबाउट डूइंग योर the things that you had planned for yourself, and suddenly you realize that, oh, I'm feeling a little low on energy, and then you start to question yourself right in the morning, how can I feel like this? So one, you're already feeling a little low, but साथ में आप अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करना शुरू करते हो, डाउट करना शुरू कर देते हो कि ये सब क्या हो रहा है, हाउ एम आई फीलिंग लाइक दिस, आई हैव टू गेट इनटू एक्शन मोड, और ये सब मैंने मॉर्निंग रूटीन का पार्ट है, आई मीन आई हैव टू डू दिस. हैपेंस विद यू? मेरे साथ ये कई बार हुआ है, राइट? लेट्स गेट टू द सोर्स ऑफ इट. व्हाई डू वी डू दिस एंड व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट इट हैज ऑन अस? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. So every time that you are not up for it and you feel एक action, एक step भी आगे लेना बहुत uphill task है, नहीं हो पाएगा, just pause there, Maybe just take that half a step, little bit of it. जो कर सकते हो थोड़ा सा, right? अगर पहाड़ नहीं चढ़ सकते हो, so maybe एक कदम आगे बढ़ा लो, right? Just take that first step, okay? You don't want to get out of the bed, it's okay. आधा घंटा लेट जाओगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. आज योगा नहीं किया, big deal. But why we start to penalize ourselves, question ourselves, doubt ourselves is because we are running a race. और उस रेस में हमारे बहुत सारे competitors हैं. जो भी लोग साथ में और हैं, हमने उनको भी रेस का हिस्सा बना दिया है, and we are constantly comparing ourselves, our speed with their speed. No, I have to be doing this. अगर ये नहीं किया तो मैं तो आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगी. Consistency कैसे होगी? फिर this is what I'm teaching. If I'm not preaching it, if I'm not doing it myself, so how will it happen? How will I achieve what I'm up to? एक दिन ऐसा होता है and we put in all those question marks. And that's because we are comparing, we are measuring our performance, our emotions, our feelings with that other. Oh, he's doing it. Why can't I be doing it consistently? And even if you may not be doing it directly, but वो जो इफेक्ट है ना कि मुझे करना है is coming because you feel you'll be missing out if you don't do it. That whole expectation thing, right, is there, खुद से जो expectations है, करना है, I have to do it. Now the thing is, the moment you stop competing with those around, with others outside, and you start competing with yourself. If you compare yourself only with yourself, तो आप देखोगे suddenly वो सारा पेन चला जाएगा कहीं पे. It will not be there. And I'm telling you this out of experience क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये बहुत होता था. Suddenly I'm just not feeling up for it. I don't want to do the tasks. इतना सब कुछ प्लान किया था, दिन बड़ा प्रोडक्टिव चाहिए था, पर हो ही नहीं रहा. And the moment I realized that, okay, who am I competing against? Myself. अगर रेस में मैं हूं अकेली, और रेस भी नहीं है, बट अगर खाली मैं एक जर्नी पर हूं, आज मैं यहाँ पर हूं, कल मुझे यहाँ होना है. अब उसके बीच में अगर मुझे रेस्ट करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है, तो can I give that space to myself? Can I be gracious enough to give that space to myself? Why not? अगर वो कोई चीज जो होनी है वो 5 घंटे की जगह 10 घंटे में हो गई, big deal. I am still doing it. I'm still moving forward. अपनी जर्नी में तो मैं आगे बढ़ ही रही हूँ, बट उस प्रोसेस में ये हो रहा है कि अगर मैंने अपने आप को वो स्पेस दी, I've been gracious enough to myself, I've been kind to myself, then I come back with more vigor, more energy. But if I'm penalizing myself, if I'm comparing with others and I'm like, nahi, ye nahi ho sakta, I have to do this, why am I not doing this, doubting yourself, questioning yourself, it's only killing you. It's just pulling you further down, right? So please stop competing with others. They are on their journeys. There are so many variables, so you cannot really have that competition in the first place, right? आपकी अपनी लाइफ है, आपकी अपनी बिलीव्स हैं, खुद की कंडीशनिंग है, आपके वेरिएबल्स अलग हैं, आपके everything is different and they are on their own. So there is no comparison. Even if you're doing it, you cannot compare an apple to a mango, right? So please stop doing that and start comparing, start competing with yourself. And the moment you do that, you're going to feel better. You will not regret spending a day just lazing around, not doing anything. You'll be like, fine, it's my journey and I want to enjoy the journey. And that's what enjoying the journey is all about. You can enjoy that journey only when you are competing with yourself and you compare yourself only to yourself. Yep. Did it click? Was it meaningful? If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.